Hi everyone, my name is Mayra Gaza and today I'm going to be talking about why should we all get vaccinated against COVID-19. Well, in fact, to protect yourself and others, your family and community, and to stay safe from contracting the COVID-19. The virus, the CDC, also known as the Center of Disease Control, recommends that we follow protocols like wearing a mask, stay 6 feet away, wash your hands often, and use sanitizer and 70% and higher. And the most important, get vaccinated against the virus. There are more types of vaccines designed to force your immune system to make antibodies against a specific system, a specific disease known as a COVID-19 and its mutations. Usually a dead or weakened form of germs, and if you get in contact with them, your immune system knows what to do and recognize the virus. The CDC, also known as the Center Disease Control, also known, has recommended all healthcare workers and elderly and all populations to get vaccinated to stop and prevent the spread of COVID-19. Vaccines are free and have been evaluated and tested and shown 90% of efficacy and requires 2 doses, Pfizer and Moderna, making the messenger instructions making spike for proteins that let the virus enter the human cells. Carries proteins blueprint from cells of DNA. It's ribosome with R machines that drive protein, then RNA carries appropriate amino acids into ribosome in protein, telling your immune system to make cells to make proteins, and act as if they're already been infected with COVID-19 and give you immunity against the disease and fight the virus with your own antibodies. Vaccine is a critical tool for fighting this pandemic and effective in preventing hospitalization and death and illness. That's why it's very important for us to follow all the protocols from the CDC to prevent this pandemic from growing, and we can all together make it happen by following these simple steps. We can protect our community, our loved ones against this COVID virus that originally came from China and spread it through all the world, globe-wide. So it's very important to get vaccinations. Right now, it's available to everybody in our community, and it's at no cost. You should just make an appointment and get it over with. Some people are against the vaccine because they believe that it's gonna be like something harmful for us, that they're just trying to get rid of the population, the government, and that will affect us. But that is not the case, because it has been proven by scientists and experts that the effectiveness of the vaccine is very effective, 90% effective if used properly. There's another vaccine, Johnson and Johnson. That I don't have a lot of information yet because it's new, and they had stopped it because a lot of people were getting blood clots and some type of complications. I'm assuming that it's gonna be back soon as they modify the vaccine. But as for now, Moderna and Pfizer have been evaluated and it's safe. There has been some deaths, but it's usually with the 65 and older, the elderly, and it's not very clear yet. There's not enough studies to explain why is this happening. Maybe the people have already heart disease or any type of diseases that they just don't respond very well to the vaccine. But we have more cases of people that died more from the flu than from the COVID vaccine. So in my opinion, I think it's very safe and we should all stick together and finish this pandemic. Thank you very much.